The EBike Conversion Kit 1000 watts is equipped with a sine wave controller, which ensures smooth and efficient operation for both haul and haul-free brushless motors. Featuring a self-learning function, this conversion kit can automatically determine the motor's phase angle and rotation direction, making it highly versatile and user-friendly. The included LCD S866 intelligent display is compatible with multiple voltage levels and provides comprehensive information including speed, battery status, and mileage. With a dedicated lamp function, the controller is capable of powering a light, enhancing safety during nighttime rides. This conversion kit is suitable for various electric bicycles and scooters, with compatibility for motors ranging from 500 watts to 800 watts. Manufactured by Muselk, the EBike Conversion Kit 1000 watts offers a robust and reliable solution for upgrading your bicycle into an efficient electric vehicle.